Hi, I'm Brendon Small from Metalocalypse, and I'm going to show you how I play the cell phone ring for the Dethklok character. So when they get a phone call, this is what it sounds like. Something like that. So it's very simple. It's actually hard to move your hand back and forth, obviously, but here it is. It's an arpeggio, a minor arpeggio. I guess that is a D minor arpeggio. And then you go down to the 3rd fret. You get the idea. If you can do it better than me, congratulations. I haven't practiced this in a while. I'm not perfect, again. So there you go, cell phone ring from Dethklok. Learn how to do it, and you can show your friends. I'm sure they'll be really impressed.